All right, I'm in the I'm in the project truck, and I'm just trying to see how I'm gonna like this setup. Yeah, the Trailblazers right there. I'm in the old project truck, the old beast. Trying to see how I'm gonna like this setup. The double din, the screen right there, two, I guess tens, and then should I take that seat out or leave the seat in and just have the speakers right there? Yeah, project truck slash storage unit right now. But yeah, I think that's gonna be a little bit all right. Yeah, I think that's gonna be a little bit all right. I like that setup. What y'all think? Should I take the? But oh, sorry. Should I take the back seat out or leave that back seat in and just have the speakers in there? No matter what, no more people gonna be in the back seat. But have the two tens beating right there, or just take the seat out and put a board right there and paint it and have all types of stuff. Project truck still not running. A water pump got put in, and now this don't even make a sound anymore. Yes, I am turning the key. I don't even got windows anymore. See, if I want to take it out and open the door, I got lights. I don't know what the fuck this is. I don't think it's a starter. I think it's the alternator. But anyway, put the water pump in yesterday. Not yesterday. Well, was it yesterday? Yeah, I think it was yesterday. Put the water pump in, and it didn't start. So I decided to So I put the jumper cables on. Oh, Yukon over there, and see if the Yukon would jump it off. Yukon didn't jump it off. Put the Trailblazer. Put it on the Trailblazer. The Trailblazer couldn't jump it off. Figured out that the battery wasn't charging, or it's 100% dead. And checked the alternator. The alternator didn't have nothing on the ohm meter. So, yeah. But I'm just glad it's not the starter. But I think I'm going to go ahead and change the starter. I'm going ahead and change the pump, and I'm gonna change the alternator all at once. Well, one day, all together, and then just knock it on out like that, because I want this truck on the road in 2019. This is the last day of 2018. I want this truck on the road. And yeah, the Ford Killer, the 666, Mark of the Beast, because we are in the beast. Not trying to be satanic or anything like that. I'm a Christian. I just thought that was something, whatever. Anyway, but yeah, but see, I don't get that. I get lights. I got lights. You see, I got my map lights and all those other lights, but I don't have windows. The truck won't make a sound at all. Look, now they're flickering. I can't see me. I don't know if you can tell. Yeah, now they're flickering. So I don't know. Perfectly fine now. Keys off. Key on. Nothing. Key off. On. I don't know. Under construction. I don't know anymore. But yeah. That's all I have, man. I'm kind of frustrated right now. But that's all I have. I'm out.